ITS Enclosures offers IceStation rack enclosures in various sizes. Introducing the NEMA 12 IR26 desktop rack enclosure. The IR26 is fabricated out of 14-gauge painted steel and measures 26 inches high by 24 inches wide by 28 inches deep. Designed with rack-mountable electronics in mind, the enclosure protects against dust, dirt, and light splashing fluids. The enclosure interior features front or rear mounting rails, which are square punched for use with cage nuts. The total interior space is 12U, approximately 21 inches high. The rack mount enclosure has lockable front and rear doors for added security, and includes lift and turn compression latches. The front door includes a polycarbonate window. The rear of the enclosure features a 10-foot power cord and a mini split panel built into the door. To easily route cables and wires, add a dust-tight, watertight Roxtec cable entry gland. For thermal management, the IR26 can be fitted with a filtered fan system, which will create positive pressure on the inside of the enclosure and prevent dust and dirt entry. Stationary or mobile pedestals are available at varying heights. Still have questions? Contact ITS Enclosures at 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com or visit itsenclosures.com and click on the video tab for additional IceStation product videos.